You can't spell infographics without I, C, O, N, and S. Icons. I know you can spell it, but do you know how to properly use them? Hello world, Mike Ploger and Visme back to help you change the way you view and build infographics. When it comes to creating infographics, conducting research and familiarizing yourself with the facts is just half of the pie. The other half is the design, and more specifically, the icons you're using to keep a viewer engaged. If you're not a design expert, you might have no idea where to begin when drawing up your infographic. You need your visuals to balance out the information in an aesthetically appealing way, but how can you do that? Behold, we have 9 tips in this video that will help you use icons properly and skillfully. You'll be wowing your audience as they question, who'd you hire to design this? Spoiler alert, you did it yourself with the help of Visme. Let's get started. To begin, view your text and visuals as a happy marriage. They balance one another out with a little bit of compromise. An infographic isn't a visual compiled of 1,000 words and one picture at the bottom. It's also not a single photo or icon with a minor caption. They work together. Peep our example. It's not one photo with one caption, but a handful of icons, each paired with text underneath. The icons match the text information, making it easier to understand and remember. Not to mention that the infographic flows so well with the lines guiding readers where to look next. But we won't get off topic. That's an expert tip for another video of ours. Icons are an excellent addition next to your words or legends in labels. Or if it's a universally recognizable icon, use the icon alone. This is a great idea if you're working with popular brands. But as you can see with our example, simple outline icons are paired with the text labeling the different sections of the pie chart. A simple addition that you may think a viewer won't notice, but it helps bring the infographic together. Lists, that's everything you were taught not to do with an infographic. Except not quite. You can create short lists and help raise their appearance with proper design techniques. One of those techniques, icons. Use them to replace numbers or pair with numbers to highlight the steps in a process. An infographic is meant to be informational, but going a small step further and seriously considering your icon use will put your infographics far above the rest. If you're trying to use icons and struggling to make them fit into your design, don't worry. The one thing you may be missing is a background for your icons. Drop a shape or shadow or color or photo into your design and then place your icons over top of them. Look at our example. Without the rotated squares, the icons wouldn't work. You'd have to change their color, but then they wouldn't match. If you look closely, they even used a shadow effect underneath the backgrounds. This template and several others that you're seeing in this video are available to edit in Visme right now. Headers don't have to be reserved for text only. Throw an icon or two in there. This can help tease what a viewer may find in your infographic or just add a little bit of flair. This infographic about fun indoor activities during quarantine pairs the header with a chess piece. Again, it teases one of the content pieces to follow while sparking a viewer's own ideas. And if you're really feeling creative, create a background with icons by changing their opacity or by creating a pattern. Play around with it and see what you can come up with. Picking one icon style from the onset is massively important. You can't have one outline icon, one cartoon icon, one 3D icon, and have a strong overall design. You must choose a style you like from the beginning and then select icons from that style that you've already chosen. While the icons may be different based on what they are of, their look should all be the same. Just like you see only outline icons in this infographic example. Visme offers 4 different styles of icons you can choose from, making your work easy. Outline, flat, multicolor, and isometric. Check them out at visme.com. On the same token as style is color. Your icon's color should be at the very least similar to the rest of your infographic, if not matched directly. This is an easy way to lose viewers and their satisfaction with your infographic. Neon infographic, neon icons. 70s style infographic, 70s colors. Maintain that visual theme as best as you can. Oh, and if you didn't know, you can adjust the colors of your icons in Visme in about 0.62 seconds. Think you can beat that time? I dare you to try. Sizing your icons appropriately is another tip that you must consider. You can do everything we've discussed in this video so far, but if you make your icons tiny or huge or all different sizes, you're missing the mark. Uniform sizing throughout is key for a clean design. This really isn't just for icons, it's for text too. Of course, headers should stand out in order to attract a reader's eyes first, but other elements of similar importance should be sized similarly. Note the height or width when placing your first icon and use that for all the remaining icons throughout your infographic. And last, but definitely not least, in my opinion, use Visme. Seriously, if you haven't explored our tools before, they will blow you away. I use it all the time and I'm still in awe of what I can find and what I can do and just how easy it is compared to other options. Once you're in Visme's editor, click on the Graphics tab in the far left. That'll open a wide variety of graphics you can choose from, and one of the first is icons. Click that and you'll be taken to a database containing literally thousands of icons to choose from, and they're already organized by theme or topic for you. Working on a geographical infographic, Visme has the icons. How about educational icons? Visme has those too. Even if you're not finding what you're looking for at first glance, there's a search bar at the top to assist you. I'd say it's a reason to celebrate. Once you click on the topic you're looking for, it'll break down those icons again, this time into different sets based on their appearance. Remember when I mentioned sticking to the same style? Well, that is Visme doing that work for you. Once you have an icon you like, you can adjust the color to fit your brand or rest of your infographic. You can change the opacity or give it a border. You can adjust the size or rotate it however you like. I really can't even begin to say everything you can do with Visme's editor, so again, I encourage you to give it a try for yourself. And as much as I'd like to hang out with you virtually on YouTube all day long, it's time for you to get to work. Once you've wowed your audience with your stellar icon use, come back here and drop us a like, or you can even do it now with a simple click right down below. And if you have some time today, I encourage you to explore and subscribe to our channel. We're consistently producing videos that are meant to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Best of luck creating your next infographic. We'll catch you back here next time. For now, I'm Mike Ploger with Visme, helping you make information beautiful.